Hi everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to install Zalando app. So as you guys see, I'm already on the main page. I'm going to go into Apple Store and then click search for Zalando, then click on the second option, Zalando, and click the button. I already have it installed, so I have a cloud symbol, but you will have the install button, and I will just wait a bit until it installs. And as you see, you can already click open, and that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys next time.